to you, Ms. Madhavi, I just have a statement that has come from the Telangana leader, Minister K.T. Ramarao, son of the Chief Minister and Senior Minister, outraged and shocked with the news of the rape of a minor in Hyderabad, request Home Minister and Commissioner of Police to take immediate and stern action. Please don't spare anyone involved, irrespective of their status or affiliations. You don't believe Mr. KTR? You don't believe him when he says this?
Rajdeep, I think the first point that we have to note is, now KTR says that the Home Minister should take action on it. But point number one, what the minister forgets conveniently is, the Home Minister's grandson itself is involved in this. This is what the minister conveniently forgets and tries to actually divert the topic.
No, one minute. You're telling me that the Home Minister's grandson is involved in it? The FIR does not name anyone.
No, the FIR conveniently just names only the car, Rajdeep. It doesn't name anyone. It in fact gives only the car's number, says that it's a Benz car with a registration, I think TS09FL6460, which is registered on the MIM MLA sister's name. This car is registered on the MIM MLA sister's name. And conveniently, KTR actually diverts the topic, saying that the minister should take action on it. Point number one, Rajdeep, what I want to ask the Honorable Minister, especially the DGP of Telangana, is, now this occurred on 28th of May, and the FIR was filed on 31st. What is the police department doing till 31st May? This is my first straight question to DGP, or could it be KTR or anybody else? Why the lapse in filing the FIR? Now, one side they say this is a minor that has been raped. Yes, I understand it is a minor girl, and it is very unfortunate that such kind of incidents are occurring very frequently in Telangana. And KTR, nor KCR, nor anyone is bothered, nor is the Child and Welfare Minister.
So you believe this is lip service? You believe KTR's statement is pure lip service? You are questioning why it's taken so many days for an arrest to be made. Before I come to you, Divya Reddy Sala, the Police Commissioner of Hyderabad is holding a press conference. Let's just dip in for a moment and see whether he is answering any of those questions being raised.
పాపాకి ఈ ఒక యాక్ట్ చేసినది ఎవరెవరు, వాళ్ళ ఐడెంటిటీ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ పేర్లు ఏంటి, వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ వారు అన్నది పాప చెప్పలేకపోయింది. ఎందుకంటే ఆ దుర్మార్గులు, నిందితులు ఆ పాపాని నేమ్స్ ఏమి రివీల్ చేయకుండా.
We'll go back to it in a moment, but Divya Reddy Sala, the police claims that they are acting with urgency, that this is a case involving minors. That's one of the reasons why names have not been disclosed, but no one will be spared. Do you believe that the police in Hyderabad, in an investigation involving VVIP sons, will actually arrest the culprits?
Mr. Rajdeep, thank you so much for this question. And I don't know if a lot of people remember this. There was another case of a high-profile drug busting that has happened in a very, very high-profile pub in Telangana. And fairly, we've never heard about that case, after which, and all of them were arrested, and next day morning, everybody was released, and no clarity was given on that case. And we still don't know what exactly has happened, because it was told, and it was in fact shown on so many national TV channels, that the drugs were caught. And then very conveniently off late, we don't even see, police checking any of these drunken driving. So I'm very, I don't know, it's not a reckless statement, but I find it very scary to believe that everybody is doing their job right. And if that was the case, we had Disha's case, the Dr. Disha, who was also a rape case, and it was very brutal, and there were so many red flags raised. But what is the prevention? I would want to talk and ask, what is the prevention? Because we still are women alive and walking around, this city which was once
you feel unsafe. No, Divya, I want you to be, Divya, what has happened is terrible, it's shocking, it's outrageous, but do you really feel unsafe in a city like Hyderabad? I thought most women would tell me that they feel safe in Hyderabad.
Absolutely, that was the case. That I am a Hyderabadi and I'm a very proud Telanganite, and I will still continue to say that instance like this, if you're not coming out in public and telling us what is happening with the case, how are you sorting it out? I mean, just a mere statement of an encounter is not going to make us feel safe, because these are happening continuously. And what are the stringent laws and the execution of these laws, right? Are we, like, I genuinely feel that such criminals need to be chemically castrated, or a death penalty needs to be happening. And because, you know, Rajdeep, I
A
genuinely
few months
feel
ago, a few months ago, you say they should be castrated. That's one part of it. You know that there was an encounter that took place of a rapist, which has now gone to the Supreme Court, which has come out with based on a commission report that this was a fake staged encounter. Is that what you want?
See, that is what the problem is, right? Because we citizens are never told what the truth is, and we demand the truth. Because if that was true, then why do we continue to have these kind of cases? In fact, I feel there must, there must be such stringent laws, and these criminals cannot be encouraged by the loopholes in the system.